I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the style sheet you already linked and confirming the meta viewport tag in your HTML. Once done, choose meaningful breakpoints. Don't guess. Base them on the design or common device widths. Now add an @media screen rule and place the first changing properties inside. This ensures styles apply only to screens rather than print. Make sure to use logical units like px or m for consistency, and name the breakpoint intent with a comment for future edits. You'll now implement concrete rules inside each @media screen block. Start with layout adjustments. Switch columns, update grid templates, or change flex direction. Then refine typography and spacing so text remains readable at the chosen width. If you followed mobile first, use min width. If not, use max width. Each approach changes the cascade, so be intentional. Finally, test visibility toggles for non-essential elements and keep selectors specific to avoid unintended overrides. You finish by thoroughly testing across devices and developer-responsive tools. Resize slowly to observe transitions and breakpoints. Once you confirm behavior, optimize by consolidating duplicate declarations and using CSS variables for consistent values. Make sure media queries are ordered from small to large if mobile first, and avoid overly specific selectors that block overrides. If something fails, check specificity, cascade order, and whether you used screen versus all. That single keyword often resolves why styles didn't apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.